MetaMask is a browser extension that allows you to store cryptocurrencies and makes interacting with decentralized applications or Dapps very easy and beginner-friendly. In fact, it's very popular right now with more than 21 million users. If you want to send your friend some Ethereum, you will need to set up a node and use your private key to sign and approve the transaction, which is a lot of coding and very hard to do if you don't know how to code. Well, MetaMask, like any crypto wallet, lets you do just that with a simple click of a button. In this video, you will know exactly what is MetaMask, some features and drawbacks of MetaMask, and finally, a step-by-step guide on how to set up your MetaMask wallet. We have included timestamps, so you can easily skip to any part you want. So, let's get started. MetaMask is a software crypto wallet that comes as a browser extension and as a mobile application. The browser extension is available for Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge, with the mobile application also available for iPhone and Android devices. MetaMask performs two main functions. First, it stores your private key, allowing you to store your crypto. A very common misunderstanding here is that many beginners think that cryptocurrencies are stored in MetaMask or in any other crypto wallet. This is totally wrong. A crypto wallet like MetaMask stores only your public key and your private key, and then use your private key to sign and approve transactions. When you have the private key, you are allowed to spend the crypto balance of the public key or the address. You can think of the public key as your bank account number or your PayPal email address, and the private key as the PIN to your debit card or as the password to your PayPal account. If someone knows your private key, he can spend all of your money. So, without getting off topic here, just know that the term store crypto means storing the public key and the private key. So, when you create a new wallet with MetaMask, it creates for you a public key and a private key, and then stores them locally on your computer. They are never sent to any online servers, and when you want to make a transaction, like sending a friend some Ethereum for example, MetaMask uses your private key to issue a signature to approve the transaction, and your private key never leaves your computer. Currently, MetaMask supports Ethereum and any other tokens developed on the Ethereum blockchain, like Tether, USDC, DAI, and the Uniswap token. The second function MetaMask does is that it makes interacting with a lot of decentralized applications very easy. With a click of a button, you can interact with token swap applications like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, or you can play blockchain-based games like Gods Unchained or Decentraland, or you can go and purchase an NFT from a lot of supported NFT marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible. All of that without the need for any complex processes. You just need to click the Connect Wallet button. Also, you can buy Ethereum and other tokens directly from the extension, which redirects you to their partner wire, and MetaMask takes a fee out of every token purchase. You can also swap tokens on MetaMask. For example, you may want to swap some Ethereum for Mana. MetaMask automatically searches available exchanges and try to get you the best prices. And it charges a fee here also that ranges from 0.3% to 0.87%, which is how MetaMask makes money. These fees may seem small, but they add up with a lot of users using MetaMask every day. In fact, they generated more than $200 million in revenues in 2021. So, is MetaMask safe to use? Well, the short answer is yes. The application code is public. Anyone can review it. And it has been audited by a security auditing company called Least Authority, which stated that they didn't find any security vulnerabilities and that the code is very high quality. But there is still a possibility that someone may get access to your money. This can happen in two situations. First, if you downloaded a fake version of MetaMask that looks exactly like the original one. This fake version is developed by hackers, and once you deposit any money, you lose it forever. So, to prevent this from happening, only download MetaMask from the official website, metamask.com. MEATMASK.io. The second scenario is when someone hacks or get access to your computer through a virus. This way, he can get access to the stored MetaMask files. To prevent this, you always need to make sure you are using a secure computer while using MetaMask. Let's now talk about some features of MetaMask. The most obvious feature of MetaMask, like we said before, is its ease of use. It makes interacting with decentralized applications very easy. Also, it allows you to create multiple wallets. When you create a new wallet, it generates a new public key and a new private key, and you can then easily switch between them. Another feature of MetaMask is that you can connect it with other blockchains, not just Ethereum. You can connect MetaMask, for example, with the Binance Smart Chain, AVAX, Polygon, and Phantom. You can do this very easily with Chainlist, or you can go add the networks manually. MetaMask also allows you to store NFTs you buy from marketplaces. Once you connect MetaMask and buy an NFT, it will automatically appear under the Collectibles tab in MetaMask. Finally, MetaMask is compatible with hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano or Trezor. You just need to then click Connect Hardware Wallet button. Connect your hardware wallet, unlock the device, and then you will be able to spend the money in the wallet like any other MetaMask wallet. This is helpful when interacting with applications that support MetaMask but doesn't support Trezor or Ledger Wallet. So, what are the drawbacks of using MetaMask? Well, it doesn't have many, other than that it doesn't support some cryptos like the Bitcoin and XRP. Also, just like any software wallet, it is not secure as the hardware wallets like the Ledger or Trezor. So, it is usually recommended to keep only small amounts in software wallets. Other than that, nothing else. It is free and easy to use. It is safe, compatible with a lot of decentralized applications, and allows you to directly buy and swap tokens. So it is used today by more than 21 million users. Let's now get to how you can set up and start using MetaMask. Actually, it's pretty easy. First, go to metamask.io. Make sure you are on the correct website, then click on Download Now. It will automatically detect your browser. Click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. It will redirect you to the Chrome store. Click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. It will start downloading MetaMask. Then it will automatically redirect you to the setup page. Click Get Started, then create a wallet. It will ask you if it can collect data. You can click No Thanks. Then it will ask you to create a password. This password is like your mobile password. It unlocks the app. Click on I agree to the terms of use, then create. It will then show you a video on the recovery phrase, which is a 12-word phrase that you will get next. This phrase needs to be kept safe. If anyone knows your recovery phrase, he can import it in MetaMask and spend your money. Click Next, then it will show you the 12-word phrase. So, write them down in order and click Next. It will ask you to enter them. Put them in order, then click Confirm. And there you have it. You created your MetaMask wallet. Click All Done, and you will go to your wallet homepage. You can buy, send, and swap tokens. At the end of this video, we hope you learned what you need to know about MetaMask and how to create a wallet. And if you liked our video and found it helpful, and want to reward our hard work, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our new videos. We promise they will be very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching.